channel, guys. Today I have a lot of okra to harvest. Yes, bountiful and massive okra harvest, guys. So don't go anywhere. Stay in tune with me, okay? If you're new here, my name is Rhoda and I make videos on recipes and garden. And today I am gonna harvest a lot of okra right here in my backyard garden. Yes, guys. So give this video a thumbs up, share this video to your friends and family. I want to give you all a big shout out, okay, for always supporting my channel. All right, guys. So I will first do a tour right here. It's just gonna be the okra, okay, and then I will start harvesting. All right, let's get started. So in this section, I have my okra and it all looks great and healthy plants. Look at all those flowers. Oh, looks so beautiful. And I have a lot of okra to harvest as well. So look at that, a whole lot of okra. So guys, don't go anywhere. Stay in tune with me as I harvest all these bountiful okra harvest. All right, thank you. And push the like button, comment, and share this video as well. So guys, you can see that I have a lot of bunch okra here. So, guys, a big shout out to all those who have been watching my videos, who have subscribed to this channel, and who always come back to watch my video. I want to say God richly bless you. I so much appreciate you all. I want to say continue to watch my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also put on your notification bell so that whenever I upload video, you will be notified. So guys, this is all that I harvested right here in my garden, okay? Look at that. I'm gonna give you a closer look. Look at that. All right, guys, look at that. That's a lot of okra, okay? Yes, guys. So if you watch this video to this point, I want to say God richly bless you for watching my channel. Share this video to your friends and family. All right, guys, don't forget to watch more videos from Glorious Living channel. Until I come to you with another video, stay healthy. Bye-bye.